sky, we have the advanced light helicopters. The formation consists of 2 Dhruv helicopters and 2 Rudra helicopters, integrated with weapon systems. Going past the saluting base, we have the Tiger Cat C GWS-20 Missile, led by Captain Ranjit Singh of 512, Lieutenant AD Missile Regiment, SP. This was inducted into the Indian anti-aircraft artillery in 1972. And now Akash, going past the saluting base, the Akash weapon system of 128 AD Missile Regiment, led by Captain Abhay Singh. The motto of the Corps of the Army Air Defence is Akashe Shatrunjahi. Akash weapon system, the first indigenously developed